I'm Mr. Barker. I'm the Clairbourn technology teacher and 6th grade dean and the drama director. And I also do electives. And when I was your age, I used to love to go and buy these box kits. And inside are all these crazy trees of plastic. And I would make airplanes like this. And when I was in the Air Force, some guys showed me how a game works, where you can use the airplanes to actually fly around the room. And I've gotten really fun at making cool designs. And then famous planes, this is the Tuskegee Airmen Red Tail Squadron. And I didn't stop there. Some people said, you know, you paint really well, you should do some more. So I bought an airbrush. With an airbrush, you can do really cool patterns. So this is also to a game. You can do giant robots, dragons. Came up with my own camouflage pattern, so that's all hand painted. That was really fun. I entered them in contests, but everyone had something really cool. So I decided to add lights. So the dragon's eyes light up, and the engines light up here. Scary flying flappy creatures that you can make. And just to give you an idea, they look like this after you build them. So they're all gray, so you have to do lots of cool painting. And I teach a class in it, and it's super fun, so I hope you take it. Thank you.